Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage customer feedback with Trustpilot, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, create a Trustpilot account if you haven't already. Visit the Trustpilot website and select the option to sign up for a free business account. Fill in the required fields with your business information. Once your account is created, verify your email address to activate your account. Log into your Trustpilot dashboard to access your business profile. Set up your business profile by adding your logo and company description. Next, customize your review invitation emails to reflect your brand voice. To request reviews, use the available options such as email invitations or sharing links. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews by sending them personalized invitations. Monitor your reviews regularly through the dashboard for timely engagement. Respond to all reviews, both positive and negative, to show that you value customer feedback. For negative reviews, address concerns professionally and offer solutions when possible. Consider analyzing recurring themes in customer feedback to identify areas for improvement. Utilize Trustpilot statistics and reports to track your review trends over time. Promote positive reviews on your website and social media channels to enhance your reputation. Engage with Trustpilot's community features by using Q&A to connect with potential customers. Continuously refine your approach based on the insights you gain from customer feedback. By effectively managing customer feedback on Trustpilot, you can build trust and enhance your brand's reputation. Follow these steps to make the most of your Trustpilot experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.